everybody, welcome back to Half Torch. Almost lost the door on that one. We are in the shop today with Matthew. Woo. We got the Supra in the back. Why, you ask? Because we've got this beauty to throw on. Ooh, wee mama. We'll get some better lighting of it, but it is all carbon. Ooh, ouch, check that out.
Oh, it's a crack.
That's so funny. There's no cracks. Supra's all ready to go on the lift. Just gotta take that thing off right down there and throw that thing on right there. And then we're done.
Shout out to Rexpeed.
Very big shout out to Rexspeed, who makes these incredible parts. They've already kind of decked out the car a little bit, if you've seen on my Instagram. We got the door handles, the window trim, the A-pillar cover, and then we got these going on today. Dang, that's gonna complete the Holy Trinity right there.
Oh my God.
You know? Oh yeah. I've always wanted Rexpeed parts. I've looked at them for a long time. We got a sticker. Rexpeed sticker.
Going on the fridge?
Their stuff's incredible quality.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll have it on some more cars later too. We'll see. But there's never too much carbon. Right?
I agree. I love carbon. Carbon bye-bye.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon bye-bye.
Let's get right into it.
Whoop whoop.
Going up. I haven't researched on how to take this off, so we're gonna do it how we normally do it, by winging it. I know that there's a couple 8mm and some body panel bolt thingies.
Body panel bolt thingies.
So let's do this thing. Actually, you might have to.
There it is. There it is. Yep, there's a tab right there.
Okay.
I just want you guys to see that it says Toyota.
Is it actually a Toyota part?
There's a part on the Supra that says Toyota right there.
Wow.
I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I can't tell, but
I
yeah,
can confirm as well.
it's there. It's that. This
It also
is
says made in Germany.
Wait a second. Listen, disregard that part. But yeah, so it's a Toyota. It's a Toyota.
It's a Toyota, guys.
Yeah. So
If the
there goes
rear deflectors are Toyota, it's gotta be a Toyota.
that's it, man. It doesn't matter what kind of motor and every other sensor in the entire car.
Okay, so with the sensors, do the other sensor?
That's right there. So no, I don't have it.
Because the hole is a slightly different fit than OEM, we have to grind off the top just a little bit. So to compare, fit focus, there you go. You can see there's just the top grinded off and now it fits perfectly. Isn't it beautiful?
It is. It's gonna look really good on the car.
We have transferred over the sensors. The sensors, you just shave off the top, throw some 3M tape on there, and with the reflectors, we had to break off one tab And then we just threw in a tiny little screw right here on both sides. I have a zip tie here, but that was something I tried and didn't work, so just ignore the zip tie. But I'm gonna leave it on there because tuning.
Actually, the zip tie is staying there because we did very mathematical equations, and it changes the handling characteristics because of the weight balance of the car.
Like I said,
So yeah. Anyway. All right.
so now we just gotta plug these up. It's good to have somebody tall here to do this for you. There you go.
That's weird, man.
It is weird. It's like outward.
Huh.
Aerodynamics.
Drag, I guess. Not that kind of drag. Not the lady gang.
All right, everybody, it is a new day. We have finally got this diffuser on. Well, I say finally, like it took a minute. It did not take a minute. It was a super easy install. It was literally just a couple bolts on the bottom and a couple body clips on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Completely transforms the car. Matches the carbon wing beautifully. Rexpeed has provided a lot for this car now. We haven't posted much, so this is kind of the first you're seeing it on the YouTube channel at least. But man, it's so subtle on the black car, but it does so much. If you're a car enthusiast, obviously you love and know carbon. It's never going out of style. It always looks good. We've just got this lift. So I've got the current wind deflectors already off. Those really ugly plastic ones. I just gotta clean off that surface and then we are good to go. Let's throw them on. Matt's here. Oh, he's gonna hit my car. Matt's here. He waved. I got him on. We're gonna get a live reaction from Matt here. How beautiful are these wind deflectors?
If it's anything like the rest of the Rexspeed stuff, it's going to be awesome.
Ain't that the truth?
And yeah, it looks awesome.
It does look awesome, dude. Oh yeah. Actually looks better than I thought.
Now you can ride with the windows down without it beating the shit out of you.
Yeah. So this is everything. Rexpeed has obviously transformed this car completely. We've got carbon all in the doors, carbon inside, dirty interior, I know, but they've thrown a carbon bomb at this thing, and it exploded good. Oh yeah. I know, it's gorgeous. This is not the last you're gonna see of Rexpeed on this channel, that's for sure. Beautiful parts, beautiful quality. That diffuser, even picking it up from a plastic diffuser, was a difference in weight, so it looks so good.
We haven't had a sunny day yet since we put it on.
So once we get that, it'll be on the Instagram. But man, you didn't think this car could get more beautiful, and it just keeps happening. So big shout out to Rexpeed. That's the end of this one. I don't know what's coming next exactly. Out, you'll know, because it'll be out to watch. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Rexpeed. Go check them out. Beautiful products, beautiful quality. It'll make your car look better, I promise.